Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rafael and you're watching Carlos Diecast. Welcome back to another video, guys. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, I welcome you guys to subscribe to the channel, hit that like and hit that bell icon. Otherwise, YouTube's not gonna show you the videos I make. In today's video, we are going to go over what I found the other day at the thrift shops, at the flea market. I found some really nice pieces, guys. So let's go check them out and hope you like them. If you guys got a question on any of the items I found, let me know and I'll be more than glad to answer them in the comment section below. Thank you guys, let's begin. Alright guys, let's begin. This is one of the pieces that I bought over the weekend at the flea market. This right here is a dump truck. It is made by LASNEY. It is made in England. The body is all metal, plastic tires. Paint's starting to peel, but it's nice. I still like it. This is some of my first pieces by LASNEY that I collect. I'll try to look for more, obviously in better conditions. Somebody priced it at $10. That is not what I paid. For this piece right here, I paid $3. I'm not sure if that was good or bad. You guys let me know if I overpaid for this item or if it's decent. All right, that is my first item that I found over the weekend. Up next, this is another, you could say it's another dump truck or a hauler. It is also made in England. Number 70. It's got metal bottom, plastic tires. It is red with yellow. It's a nice piece. The paint's really bad as well, but hey, what can I say? The windshield is broken. Something about this piece is that I like, you know, this is history right here. Just imagine how many kids have played with these, how many people have collected it before me, and now it's gonna form part of my collection. Maybe down the road, you know, this is something that I'll pass down to my son. Some of these pieces, you know, I could restore later, but as of now, I'll keep it as is. All right, piece number 2. Check out this piece number 3 that I found. Made in England by LASNEY. It is a Matchbox. This is number 26. It is a G.M.C tipper truck. It is all metal. This is why I like this older diecast cars, because they're all metal. Check this out, guys. I mean, it's very cool. How can you not like this right here? And the front tilts forward, which shows the engine. Here's the back of the truck. It's got a little door, which is very cool. What you guys think about this one? I really liked it. Somebody was asking $8 for this piece, but I paid $3. All right, guys, here it is, the G.M.C Matchbox truck. Very nice. What you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Very cool. This right here, it is a Yatming number 1501. This is made in Hong Kong. Very nice piece of diecast. This is metal base, plastic tires, metal body, little window, couple windows, the front of the vehicle. Very nice overall. It's not in the best conditions, but I liked it. I paid $3. This is a newer piece. I want to say 80s, 90s piece, possibly 90s, I'm not sure. It is a Matchbox 1990, made in China. It is a highway maintenance truck. It's got a plastic base, plastic tires with chrome wheels. You could say it's a newer dump truck. Here's the difference between these two. This is all metal. This is metal with plastic. Let me know what you guys think. Which one do you like better? The all metal or this newer Matchbox? For this, I paid 25 cents. It's not bad. I think I did good on it. So another dump truck. Here's a Matchbox 1986, made in Thailand. It has got a plastic base, plastic chrome wheels, yellow paint. It's got a metal body. I'm not sure exactly what this would be for. I don't know if it's missing a piece. I'm not sure, honestly. But you could say it's like a tow truck, maybe. I'm not sure. Yeah, possibly. Up next, we have a Matchbox Peterbilt 1981. It's got a metal base with plastic tires, chrome wheels. It's got a red paint, and this one, I believe it's missing a back piece. It's missing a piece that I don't have, but I thought it was a pretty cool piece right here. For this, I paid 25 cents, which is not bad. Pretty cool. Up next, we have a Yatming. This is a Chevrolet Corvette. This is a Stingray. This is number 1065. It is made in Hong Kong. This as well is a metal base. It's got your plastic wheels. It's got a white paint with a couple red stripes on the hood. It is a very nice piece. I like the little bit of history right here. Yatming. This has opening parts, which your doors open, both driver and passenger side. That's a nice piece. I paid 25 cents for this. Pretty cool Stingray. All right, let's move on. All right, over here we have another Matchbox. It is a Land Rover 90, 1987. This is a 162 scale. It's got your metal base, plastic wheels, tow hook right there. It's got a white paint, pink, yellow, and your blue stripes on the side. It's not bad. I paid 25 cents for this piece right here. Up next, we have a Matchbox. It is a 4x4 Chevy Blazer. It is made in Thailand. It's got a 1983 year. And this right here has got a plastic chrome base with your plastic wheels. I had to have it, guys. It's very nice. Let me know what you guys think about this piece right here. I paid 25 cents for this. It's got tow hook right there. Not sure what this is for. Got the lights on top. It's a very nice piece. Got a chrome grille. 25 cents for that. For this piece right here, I paid $1 for this. This is my very first Corgi toy. It is made in Great Britain. This is a Corgi toy. This is the Vigilant Range Rover metal base, plastic tires. Thought it was pretty cool, very unique. It's a little beat up, and I just realized it might be an ambulance. I'm not sure. I might be missing a couple pieces here. It's got a cross in the front, so I'm guessing it was an ambulance. It's got opening parts. The back tailgate, this opens. I paid $1 for this. Like I said, it is my very first Corgi toy. I believe this is a 132 scale, if I'm not mistaken. Nice piece. Paid $1 for that. Up next, another piece that I found over the weekend. I can't tell what brand this is, but it is made in England. It's got your plastic base. It's got rubber tires, red wheels. I thought it was pretty cool. It is all metal, very heavy. It says New York Toy Fair 1995. Vintage models made by Little PLC. Paid a couple dollars for this. Alright guys, up next, this is Matchbox Super Things. The London K15, made in England, 1972 LASNEY product. It is all metal, double-decker bus. It's in rough conditions. For this, I think I paid at $8 for this piece right here. I'm not sure if I overpaid or not, but it's pretty nice. You know, some of these pieces, you buy what you like. Very nice piece, double-decker bus. It's got a knob right there. I believe it's for the door. Yep. To open the door. These pieces right here are still in the package. I paid a couple dollars for these. I paid $3 for each of these pieces. Thought this was pretty cool. This is a Matchbox. It is a pop-up camper by Matchbox and Mattel wheels. It's a pretty nice camper. I thought it was very nice. The card is in decent shape. It's not too bad. It's not too beat up. I plan on leaving this in the package. I don't plan to open it. Let me know what you guys think about it. All right, up next, another piece I found over the weekend. It is this Hot Wheels. It is a Chevy race truck racing metal series. It is a Chevy truck. Looks to be like a C10. Got your tempos on the side, Chevy emblem on the hood, sunroof on the top. I like the color. It's a very nice color, and the card is in decent shape. These I do not have in my collection, so I bought it for about $3 on these pieces. $3. Up next, we found another Chevy. This is Night Racing Spotlights. It's another C10 square body Chevy. I really like this piece. It's part of the Race Team Series 2. This is 4 out of 4 cars. There's 3 more cars to complete this set. I didn't find them, but I just like this truck right here. Very cool truck. There's the back of the card. Not too bad of a shape. Got a couple dings on the corners right there. I paid $3 for this piece and I think it's worth it. I like it. If you like it, you buy it. Remember, guys. Okay, let's continue. Lastly, guys, to wrap up this video, this is another pickup truck that I bought over the weekend. It is a Matchbox 56 Ford pickup truck. It is very nice. I liked it. It is a plastic bottom, red paint, red body. The card is in decent shape. It's got a little ding right here. I just like trucks. I had to have it. There's the back of the piece. Alright guys, these were some of my loose car collection that I bought over the weekend. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. Feel free to share the video. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe yourself for more videos like this. Alright guys, I'm your friend Rafael with Diecast. Until next time, peace.